Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS version. Okay, first open the default browser that comes with Ubuntu, that is Firefox. Then go to MySQL official website, it is mysql.com. Click on downloads, then scroll down, click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version. See here we have the 8.4.8. If you are unable to find the version, click on this archive. There you will find all older versions. Select it, then select the operating system, Ubuntu Linux. I am on Ubuntu 24, so select the version as Ubuntu 24.04. Once we select it, it populated the list of the Debian packages that needs to be downloaded and installed. But instead of downloading each package, just download this deb bundle. Then click on no thanks, just start my download. See, download started and its size is about 489 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will untap the star file and install MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads, CD, downloads, ls. See here we have the MySQL Server 8.4.8 tar file. We have to untar it. tar-accept, then MySQL, then press the tab. Hit enter. ls. See here we have the list of the Debian packages that needs to be installed. But before installing them, install following dependencies. Ctrl A, sudo apt install macap -ipadic -utf8 libaio -dev. Hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user. Hit enter. See, both are already near versions. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i star.deb. This command will install all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. Enter password for root account. Again set same password for root account. See, we have successfully installed. Ctrl L. Now verify the status of the MySQL server. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL server is installed and it is active and running. Service is enabled. Quit to quit. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -b. Then provide the password. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL server version 8.4.8. You can also verify the version by running the command select version. See, we got the same. Okay, Ctrl A. Now verify list of databases that comes with MySQL installation. Show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. Now create database. Now switch to this database and create a table. To switch to database, we have to run the command use, then provide the name of the database. Database changing. Now verify tables in this database. Show tables. See, you don't have any tables, so create table. We see we have created table. So, see, we have created table customer. Okay, now insert some data into this table. See, we have inserted these rows. Now we'll create user. Before that, verify list of users. Show users. This won't work. We can get the list of the users by running the command select user from mysql.user. See, we got the list of the users that comes with MySQL installation. Create. Whatever is there in singular double quotes, it is the password. Okay, now verify the same. See, we have created user David. Now exit from the current session and connect to MySQL server with this new user. Exit MySQL -u. New username is David-p. then provide the password. As I told you, whatever is there in single or double quotes, it is the password. So enter the same. See, we have successfully connected to MySQL Server. You can also verify, select current underscore user. See, you have connected to MySQL Server with the user David. Now try to access the database that we have created. See, access denied for user David to database bank, because we have created user but haven't granted any privileges. That's why you have received this error. Exit. Now we'll see how to start and restart MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Ubuntu operating systems. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Now verify the status. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. See, MySQL Server is stopped 9 seconds ago. Okay, go to quit. You can also verify by trying to connect to MySQL Server. See, MySQL Server is stopped. Control A, start it again. Sudo systemctl start MySQL. See, MySQL Server is started 1 second ago. If you want to restart, sudo systemctl restart MySQL. Verify the status. See, we have restarted 1 second ago. Go to quit. Control A. Until now, we have connected MySQL Server by using MySQL command line client. You can also connect MySQL Server by using MySQL Workbench or DBeaver. Those are the most popular tools. You can search for my YouTube channel how to install both on Ubuntu operating systems. So we have successfully installed ls. These files are not required anymore, so remove them to clear the space. rm start.deb. This command will delete all Debian packages from the current directory. Hit enter. ls. See, Debian package is removed. We have one more file removed. rm mysql. Then press that up. Hit enter. ls. We have cleared the space. I have already installed DBeaver. Go to application. Click on DBeaver. Click on this database and select new database connection, or go to this, click on this new database connection, then select the MySQL, then click on next. MySQL is installed on this one. Localhost is fine. 3306. I have the database bank. We have the user root, then provide the password that we have set for this user, then click on test connection. See, we have successfully connected. Click on OK, click on finish. Expand connection, expand databases, expand users. See, we have created this user. If you want to run queries, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now we can run the queries whatever we have run on MySQL client. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL Server 8.4.8 LTS version on Ubuntu Linux 24.04. Then you have also seen how to connect it from MySQL client DBeaver. Okay, for more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.